For Macomb,
Yeah.
June 16th is a final conference, and June 28th is the trial date.
And how's that looking? Is it getting any better for you?
I'm supposed to meet with my lawyer tomorrow, and we're going to try to discuss a plea deal. You know, something that I would consider instead of doing a trial.
All right. Well, good luck to you on that.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Good morning, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins. While court is in session, please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back, wait for your name to be called. Also, if you're in a vehicle, there is no driving while court is in session. Also, there is no talking, eating, drinking, gum, chewing, or walking around and smoking of any kind, and please remain properly dressed at all times. Thank you. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning.
Somebody had a hand raised too.
Gaskins had his hand raised. I just sent him a message. Then, Gardner, he said, they need to connect their audio. But if they don't know about the audio, I'm thinking they don't know about message, the chat message either. All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Jonathan David Lindsay. Case number SP 1154613 and SP 1207403 and SP 1323661. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharika, good morning, Your Honor, and good morning to your staff. May it please this honorable court, Sharika Harris, P72832, on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
Jonathan Lindsay.
Off the record, we had a discussion with Mr. Lindsay. Was here a week or so ago or 2 weeks ago, and told him to take some steps to get his driver's license straight. He seems like he's on top of all of that. He indicated to the court that he was going to be eligible, as he knows, understands, and was told to get a license on June the 4th. So, of course, we're going to give you some more time. June the 4th is a Saturday.
Yes.
And you have a final conference on what day is that?
June 16th.
All right. How about we get you back in here June 13th?
Okay.
See where you at. I told you I want this cleared up before, so that you can come. If hopefully you don't have to do any time. Hopefully you can work that out, and I'll be praying for that, a good resolution for that. But
Thank you.
if you do, then you to be out with a valid driver's license, and you can move around and get yourself back together. So
thank you, Your Honor.
all right. So you're welcome. So let's have you back on the 13th, and let's see where you are from there. We'll put all these cases for a pretrial on the 13th, and if there's nothing further, sir, like I say, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good day.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. You too. What time on June 13th?
Same time, 8:30. You get here first, you get out first like you did this time.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Y'all have a good day.
So you have a better one. June 13th.
Excuse me, Your Honor. This is Major Gaskins.
I got you, Mr. Gaskins. How you doing?
I'm okay.
And I have Mr. Reginald Gardner as well. All right, let's see, Sienna, India, gun. City of Detroit versus Sienna India Gun, case number SP 11062571, SP 11062711, SP 1202103, counts 1 and count, strike that. SP 1202103, counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Gunn. Ms. Gunn, please state your name for the record.
Yes, I'm Ms. Gunn, Sienna Gunn.
How old are you, ma'am?
26 years old, sir.
As it relates to arraignment on Ms. Harris,
Oops, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute, wait formal reading of the information.
how old street? All right, so this one we'll enter not guilty plea on Ms. Gunn's behalf. We'll give her a $0 bond. As it relates to the one charge interfering with the government employee, that is gonna know, I know the city attorney is not gonna give an offer on that. He likes to have that employee come in and hear that employee side of the story. What about a driver's license, ma'am? Why can't you get a driver's license?
Sir, I came to court last time I spoken to you, and I had to go get my birth certificate, and I had to make an appointment to get my birth certificate, and it was taking me long to actually get it. So I have my birth certificate now. When I went up to the Secretary of State, they told me that I couldn't take the written test because I needed my birth certificate, and I had to make an appointment for that, which I had to wait on that appointment. But I have my birth certificate, and they also give me a fee of $125.
Because you too probably paid a no insurance, well, I don't know.
They giving me a reinstatement fee.
Have
Of
you ever had a
125.
driver's license before?
No,
All right, and you missed your court date obviously too, right?
I had missed my court date. I forgot my court date. I forgot I had a court date. I forgot I had.
Ms. Gunn, you gotta do better than that, all right?
Yeah, but I was busy trying to get my birth certificate, and everything else was kind of slipping my mind also, and I kind of like forgot my court date. But
Ms. Gunn,
I have my birth certificate and
Ms.
everything.
Gunn, you gotta do better than that, all right? You got one of them iPhones or one of those smartphones?
Yes, sir.
You can put that date in there and you can say I'll chime at 2 hours before, a day before, 5 days before, 15 minutes before, right?
Yes, sir.
You gotta do better than that, ma'am. That's one of the most important things is you making sure you come to court when you're supposed to.
Okay.
All right. So what I'm understanding is, let's do this. You think you can get this license by August the 2nd?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's put it as a pre-trial, August the 2nd, because I want to make sure you have your license first, and then we're gonna set it up for a trial after that, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, that's 8:30 a.m. I don't see you writing this, Gun. That's August the 2nd. Hey, let me know what date that is. You know what's important about August the 2nd?
Is that a Wednesday?
No, it's not Wednesday. I can tell you exactly what date that is. That's a Tuesday without even looking at the calendar. You know how I can say that?
From last year.
That's voting day. Are you registered to vote, Ms. Gunn?
Yes, sir.
All right, that's voting day. So you're gonna hopefully, right after you leave court or before you come into court, you'll be voting on that day, hopefully. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You gonna do that?
Yes, I will. I always vote.
That's what's up. All right, so now we're doing real good now. Ms. Gunn wants to get all her cases dismissed and all that now, right? All
Yes,
right,
sir.
go get the driver's license, Ms. Gunn, and come back August the 2nd, all right?
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right, have a great day.
You too.
Gaskin,
Yes,
good morning to you, sir.
good morning.
Judge Perkins Court.
All right, let me see Dunbar.
Okay. This is what you're going to do.
Let's see, Dunbar.
You're going to have to do this stuff.
I don't know if Dunbar is in here. Why, what brings Dunbar in here?
Sir, Sergeant Dunbar, Detroit Police. I am here for Turquoise Lamb at 9 o'clock.
Okay, all right, great. All right, well, we're gonna give him a little bit of time to show up. All
Oh,
right,
no
all right,
problem.
so I
I'm
got
just
you
here early, sir.
I got you checked in now. Thanks a lot.
Thanks.
Officer.
Thank you.
Your
Thank you,
Honor,
sir.
can you put them in the breakout room with me?
I certainly will.
Thank you, Your Honor.
It's gonna prompt, it's gonna say, once you get out, it's gonna say.
Okay, Gaskin.
Yes,
3, 4, I just gave it to you. No, you must have wrote, okay. 360-434-0.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Did you want me to join that breakout room with someone?
No, not
No,
necessarily.
okay. Just starting it. Okay, got it. Thank you.
Sorry. Why don't I have Gaskin going up? So let's see. Oh, I got the wrong. I have you as Reginald. No, I'm sorry. I'm mixing the two. Is that Magor Gaskin?
Major.
Major Gaskin?
Yes,
Okay, all right. I got it. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Major Martin Gaskins, case number SP 121-6384, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharika Harris on behalf of Mr. Gaskins. Mr. Gaskins, please state your name for the record.
Major Martin Gaskin Sr.
All right. So, Mr. Gaskins, what's going on with your license? You ever had one before?
Yes,
Do you have one now?
yes.
Run this license, please. And what's going on with this insurance and registration?
Well, I ain't got my insurance and registration yet because I had an accident in August. I broke my neck, been out of work, and I had a hernia removed and my appendix. So I haven't been working since August.
Okay. That explains a lot. I hope you're all right.
Well, I'm feeling a lot better. God is good.
Yes, Officer Portman, good morning with you. I'll put you in the breakout room with Mr. Goss. All right, I said bring a driver's license and insurance and registration. And let's see about this driver's license right quick.
Okay.
And that's valid
Yes,
and very clean.
yes.
Let's see what the city attorney is gonna say about this other stuff. If I give you a little more time, will you be able to bring that insurance and registration in, or what do you think the likelihood of that is gonna be?
Well, right now, I don't know how fast I'm gonna be able to get back up on my feet, so I'll try though. I'll try, nothing's impossible.
That's what's gonna, what do they say? Ain't nothing worse than a fail, than not trying.
That's right.
You come back on election day too.
Okay.
I hope that doesn't prevent you from getting out to the polls.
No, sir.
All right, August the 2nd, 2022. Bring valid insurance and registration, please. We'll dismiss the cases.
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
Lyles, who's on that iPhone? Oh, Gardner.
Gordon,
Who's on that iPhone? What's the
Gordon,
name, sir?
Teran Gordon.
Oh, yeah, okay, so they're in the breakout room. Your officer is here. No. That's Lamb. Said Teran Gordon.
Yeah, you had me do the I want to say the driving test thing.
Did you do it?
I'm on chapter 11. It's 12 chapters. I'm on chapter 11.
It should be 14 chapters if you took the right course.
Okay, well, I'm on chapter 11.
So you haven't finished it.
No, I haven't finished. I can finish it today. You gave me your email of yours to send to you when I finish. I'll be finished today.
All right, let's just get it on the record. Hold on. Gardner.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Reginald Gardner. What is your middle name? Do you have a middle name?
No, sir.
See, is this wrong way in this no ops ticket? What's your date of birth, sir?
August 28th, 1970.
It's 9 o'clock. Just, they zoom in, they just zoom.
All right.
He doesn't have sex.
What about a driver's license, sir?
I gotta get it. I'm going to get it.
This is the city of Detroit versus Reginald Gardner, case number 214-023-5991. and 214-023601. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Gardner. Mr. Gardner, please state your name for the record.
Reginald Gardner.
All right. I don't have an offer here. Let's just do a blocking traffic for the wrong way driving. We'll dismiss the no ops ticket, $175. You want to take that deal?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Okay. Thank you.
Good morning, Jameson Lewis.
Morning. Are you driving, sir?
Yes, sir.
Or you need to sign off to pull over and call back in.
Yes, I'm parked.
All right. Ms. Harris, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for this responsible plea?
We do so stipulate, Your Honor.
And when you stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna find your client responsible to the amended count of blocking traffic. $175, and I'm gonna dismiss the no ops ticket. When can you pay it, sir?
In August, can I pay it in August?
August on voting day. Hopefully you get out there and vote and then come in there and pay this ticket, or pay it before you get out there and vote.
Yes, sir.
All right. August the 2nd, 2022, pay it by then. If there's nothing further, you have a good day, sir.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
You said Lyle?
Yep.
Good morning.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Out of here.
This is the city of Detroit versus Aisha Shante Lyles, SP 1136745, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1166528, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1166529, 1. SP 1175193, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 257386. Count 1. Strike that. SP 257386-2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Lyles. Ms. Lyles, please state your name for the record.
Aisha Shante Lyle.
She got so many tickets, she got 2 files. Do you have a license?
They said that I can't get it to 2024. I did everything you told me to do last time, but they said I can't get it to 2024.
You really messed this license up, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
That's messed up. 2024.
Yes, they said, I think August 11th, 2024.
And you know why they said that?
She said that I had 2 traffic violations in the same year or within 2 years apart.
Get a copy of the record?
I went to the Secretary of State yesterday and she gave me just she said it was just 1 ticket on there.
Did she give you the ticket number?
Yes, hold on, I have to go get it out. And she said it was just 1 ticket left, no proof of insurance.
Knew that was it. That's always the ticket. All right, I'm gonna pass this matter and have the city attorney come in here and see if he can get you an offer.
Okay.
Your Honor, how close is she to getting a driver's license?
She can't get one until 2024 as it stands now, but it's probably one of these no proof of insurance. She's getting that case number in order to see exactly what's holding her up. She's got a lot of tickets.
Yeah, I noticed on the docket she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 on the docket.
You want the number that they gave me at the Secretary of State?
Yeah, for the ticket number.
It's SP 8828371.
I'm looking at Teran Gordon too. He's a frequent flyer too. How old are you, Miss Lyles?
31.
Yep. That's a no insurance civil infraction that was closed, that she paid. I don't like that at all. We have to do the same thing as for her as this Landers. It's a 2018 ticket. And she paid it, went into default, and she ended up paying the ticket. She owes a $45 reinstatement. Except for $45 reinstatement, she paid it.
So she paid it.
Huh? All right, what I'm gonna do for your client, Ms. Harris, is I'm gonna allow her to set aside that, I'm gonna allow her to set aside that responsible plea, that SP 8828371. We're not gonna
Thank
give
you,
you
Your
any
Honor.
money. We'll apply the money. Well, I don't know what we'll do with the money yet. I don't know what we'll do with the money yet. But I think that might be the least of your concerns right now. You need to get something before 2024. How many kids do you have?
2, yes, I do need my license so bad, but I have 2 kids.
Are you working?
Yes.
All right. I'm
Okay, well, go ahead and zoom in, sir.
allow her to set aside
Oh, okay, it's
or
360.
withdraw the responsible plea.
Mhm. Yes.
We'll send a note down to the abstract clerk. I'm gonna give you another pretrial of 8/2/2022 at 8:30 a.m. That's election day. Are you registered to vote, ma'am?
Yes. Yes.
You come in here with that I voted sticker.
At 8:30, what time is voting?
Well, you go, let's put her on, August the 4th. Don't take anybody else's sticker either.
I'm not. I'm gonna go vote.
Put her on August the 4th. What I want you to do, how long is this gonna take to get down there? That withdrawal of that, responsible.
You just go.
Did it already.
Just have to highlight which ticket you.
I wrote it on the bottom.
Oh, you did
And then
this?
all the rest of them will just do 3 trials.
Okay.
She got so many tickets, she got 2 files.
So.
All right, come back August the 4th with that I voted sticker.
Okay, I
And then
will.
What I want you to do, maybe Monday or Tuesday next week, I want you to go back to the Secretary of State and see if that changes anything for you.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna put it in today.
And then send that note to the abstract.
I'll send it.
All right, come back August the 4th, ma'am, all right?
Okay, thank you. You said at 8:30, right?
At 8:30, yes.
Okay. See you August the 4th.
All right, with that I voted sticker.
Okay.
Go on. All right. Sharon Gordon.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You're a frequent flyer too, aren't you, Mr. Gordon?
A lot of my tickets are old, Your Honor, and then the ones that I did have, I was paying at the kiosk, like a lot of them. Like I was like paying like a ticket at a time.
Before you guys and women and people start paying those tickets, you need to know what you're paying first, because you pay that no insurance ticket like she did, and you mess yourself all the way up. So this is the city of Detroit.
And like I said, Your Honor, you had me do the class, and
Right.
I'm
You're
on
not
the,
done with the class, right? You want to come back tomorrow morning?
yeah, that'll work.
All right, come back tomorrow morning. We'll figure this out. We got a lot of work to do on your cases anyway.
Oh, okay. What time?
Are you registered to vote, sir?
Yes, sir.
I hope you exercise that right.
I will.
August the 2nd.
August the 2nd.
All right. Let's come back June the 3rd. Come back tomorrow morning.
Okay.
And,
what time, Your Honor?
8:30. And
Okay.
let's see about what's going on with that class.
Okay.
Send me that ahead of time too. You got all the information, don't you?
Yes, sir. I got
All
your
right.
I got your email address. Want me to send? Want me when I finish? You want me to send it? You want me to send page by page or?
Just send whatever you have that's showing me proof, because we're gonna talk about that class too.
Okay.
All right.
All righty.
All right. So take some good notes.
Okay.
All right, have a good day, sir.
You too.
Hello?
As long as it's opened up, they don't care. Yeah, it was gonna be. All right, who's that? A Galaxy A13. I got you, Mr. Lanier. Galaxy A13. What's your name again?
Jamison Lewis.
Lewis? Oh, Jameson Lewis. We're waiting on Officer Nate here for you.
I have another ticket.
I got that. I'll call it when we're gonna give the officer another 20 minutes or so to check in. If he doesn't, we'll get you out of here. Lanier, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Let's see. Did Bob Lanier just die the other day, didn't he?
Who? You said who, Your Honor?
Bob Lanier.
Really? He passed away?
I thought he did. Did he pass away? I don't want to say that in
I didn't hear nothing about. Yeah, I'm about to say I didn't hear nothing about it, but I did hear something about Lakeland there lately.
No, he died the other day, May 10th.
Dang, that's crazy.
Yeah,
Rest in peace to a legend.
To a legend, right? I don't see Lanier on here at all.
Really?
Let's see. Scheduled for arraignment 5/24/2022. What's your name? What's your date of birth?
December 11th, 2000.
Have you ever had a driver's license before?
No, Your Honor. I did take the permit test, and I think by August I should be able to go get it, I believe. If if everything is still okay with with my name.
Run his license, please. Mr. William Lloyd Lanier Jr.
Can you repeat that, Your Honor?
William Boyd Lanier Jr.
Yes.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus William Boyd Lanier Jr. Case number SP 1323735, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 1341467, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes.
Jerica Harris on behalf of Mr. Lanier. Mr. Lanier, please state your name for the record.
My name is William Boyd Lanier Jr.
Let's get him arraigned.
For purposes of arraignment, my client will stand mute, waive formal reading.
All right, and I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. The allegations suggest that Mr. Lanier keeps on getting in that car. And keeps getting caught. He's got 2 driving while license, never acquired tickets, and 2 driving with no insurance misdemeanors. But those are just allegations, so not licensed. So he already knew that. We'll give him, are you registered to vote, sir?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
We'll give him a license. Come back on election day.
Okay.
Free
What
trial,
day?
8 August 2nd, 2022. You said what day, when will you get that license?
They didn't say specifically. They just told me to come back in August, Your Honor. And
All right,
this
well,
was
go
the
on
Secretary of State.
Go on August the 4th. Go on
Okay,
August the 1st. Go on August the 1st on that Monday, and then you can come back on that Tuesday, and you can go to court and go vote, and then tell us what happened.
okay.
8:30 a.m.
8:30 a.m. Okay.
You got insurance?
Yes. There is insurance.
Bring that with you that day as well, please.
Okay,
All right, have a great day, sir.
okay. Thank you. You too.
All right.
I'm just setting stuff up here, Judge. Okay? I gotta start typing some stuff. Yeah, I'm done.
Morning.
Hey, what you talking about, Miss Landers?
Yes, I do. She's right outside. You wanna let her in?
Yeah. You can let her in. You know what, can you find Peoples first?
Yep, on the fifth floor. You want me to get it?
Oh, yeah, 'cause that's our court officer.
Okay.
And then when he come down, he can let Miss Landers in.
Okay.
How you been?
I've been good tonight.
All right. What's his name again? James. James of Wilson. Wow. You want to try to find this? We can try this. No, I- Judge Perkins, courtroom, how you doing, Officer Neighbors?
Good morning again to you. I'm sorry, last time I spoke, I forgot to ask for the courtroom number.
Oh, the meeting ID, okay, it's 360
Uh-huh,
434
uh-huh,
0000. Should be
40.
yes,
Okay, and, did he check in yet?
I believe so. He checked in, right?
Okay,
Right, Your Honor, he checked in.
Mm-hmm.
He's here.
We're waiting on you.
We're just waiting on you.
okay, I'm going through my, I'm gonna sign in right now, I'm going through my folder, and I got no paper on this guy, so I'm gonna dismiss.
All right, the judge hears you. We'll see you on Zoom.
Okay, I'll see you in a minute, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Mr. Goss? This is the city of Detroit versus Jameson Lamar Lewis.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Case numbers SP 1240647, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1240681, SP 1350420, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherrica Harris on behalf of Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, please state your name for the record.
Jameson Lewis.
All right, Mr. Officer Napier, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Officer Napier, badge 1098, Detroit Police Department. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. What precinct you got?
I work for TSS, or Tactical Services Section.
All right. Good morning to you. Let's, Mr. Goss. How we go? He's in the hall. He's in the hallway. Good morning. Can you put your appearance on the record? This is Jameson Lamar Lewis.
Morning. Hey, this is on the report. I'm here on behalf of the people, 260162.
Okay, we have Officer Napier here. he indicated to the court that he has no paperwork, no recollection on this. Just wanted to give you an opportunity to. Well, you like to speak to him all the time, so I'm just giving you that opportunity.
Yeah, let me speak to the officer. Yeah, be right back.
You just said it, you know, his officer doesn't draft anything. You want to still speak to him?
Yeah, John.
All right.
And on Ms. Landers, Officer Prophet did get a notice on her case.
Landers is not I mean, Landers doesn't have like, all right.
Yeah, it's a formal hearing except for her.
It's literally a front hearing because she withdrawn her plea. Should the officer have been?
Prophet is here, but not on this case. He was on another case. He didn't get notice of this case. So he's
Join the room, Mr. Nate, Officer Nate here. Mr. Goss wants to speak to you about you not having any paperwork on file.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do.
All right.
Yeah. Only reason
All right,
why.
what are we gonna do about these other tickets? Disregarding the red here, he's got disregarding the red, no proof of insurance and equipment violation. Blocking traffic for those other ones?
Yes, but he needs to get this violations. He has more with Officer Napier also. So whatever.
He's probably running around with those tinted windows on his car.
Yeah, whatever that is, please fix it.
Trying to play like the president. Tiger Woods or something. I can't hear you, sir.
I say no, sir.
Okay, I don't know what the equipment violation is. For the disregard the red signal, we'll offer you a blocking traffic. You want to take that deal?
You said bluffing traffic?
Yes, for the disregard the red signal.
Okay.
You want to take the deal or you want to fight it?
Will we go to trial?
On the disregard the red signal?
You said the deal?
You can get a formal hearing.
Okay.
Speak to him in the breakout room, Ms. Harris. See if he wants a formal
Thank you.
hearing on this regard. He's getting the 3 cases dismissed or 4 cases dismissed. See if he wants a formal hearing on the other one. Join the room, please, sir.
Okay.
Going to, when we bring Ms. Landers inside the courtroom, just have her wait in the hall still. All that is, she did bring the big.
Sorry, join that too.
Well, with the Landers matter, I need to request. Okay, even though, because when you set before a judge, it's a civil infraction, it's supposed to be.
Join that room, Mr. I put you up, I moved you to 2.
To 2?
Yes.
How do I do it? Breakout room?
You have a breakout room, yeah. Officer Kakis, good morning to you. I'm gonna throw you in the breakout room with, Mr. Goss. Are you a state trooper or police officer?
Police officer, Detroit, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Mr. Goss, what do you want to do with, Mr. Lewis's cases?
I'm sorry. Your Honor, he's going to take advantage of the recommendation. I apologize.
What are you apologizing for?
It was a delay there in me responding, so I apologize for that.
Oh, no, I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to Goss to see what he's gonna do with, Officer Napier. You had a chance to speak with, Mr. Dante Goss?
That's correct, Your Honor. I did speak with him.
And, what, did he help you recollect?
No, sir. No change. I have no paper.
No change. All right. All right. So you want to make a motion, Ms. Harris?
We move to dismiss, Your Honor.
All right, we're going to grant that motion to dismiss SP 1240647 counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 124068991 for no recollection. I do have you appeared, Officer Napier. If nothing further, Officer Napier, you have a very good day and be safe out there, all right?
Thank you, sir. You do the same.
All right, as for the civil infractions, he'll take the blocking traffic.
Yes, Your Honor.
He doesn't want to go to formal hearing on the civil infractions, so I thought he wanted to go to formal hearing.
No, Your Honor, no formal hearing.
All right, so you want to take blocking traffic, $175?
Yes, sir.
All right, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea? Counsel?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, will he stipulate the probable cause for the stop?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175, and dismiss the other 2 counts. When can you pay, sir?
In a month,
A month?
like 2 weeks.
He pays all them tenant windows and stuff? Got all
No,
that?
I bought the vehicle like this.
Got all that gear on and stuff, and you gotta take a month to pay $175.
I bought this vehicle like this in 2 weeks.
What year? What kind of car is that?
GMC Denali.
A Denali. What year is that?
07.
All right, I'll give you a little break. A month. July the 4th, on July the 4th, Independence Day. You have
Yes,
to pay
sir.
it by then, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
I have one more question. What about
What's that?
I had tickets on the 7th.
That takes care of everything you got down here,
Oh, okay.
as long as you pay it.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, have a great day, sir.
You too.
All right. All right. Ms. Landers, you're back again, huh? Good morning. But now tell me about Ms. Landers and how she was, Ms. Landers. Tell me what the correspondence you had with her.
Well, Ms. Landers, from the beginning, she said she had paid the wrong tickets. And that she was trying to get a license. So in order to remove the abstracts, she would have to withdraw her plea.
I understand all that. I'm talking about Ms. Landers and her expectations of what somebody is supposed to do for her.
Oh, yeah, she was just referring to the fact that she had stated some things that was supposed to happen. It didn't. So she was trying to enforce that. what was stated.
Wait a minute, everything, now that's not true, because everything that was supposed to happen that you were told was done.
I ended up with the ticket, which was the wrong ticket, and you told me that you was gonna put that ticket to another ticket. But I ended up paying that. Still, so you didn't do everything that you said you would do, because I ended up paying 2 of those tickets that you said.
I didn't do what I said I was supposed to do, or you did something wrong.
But remember, when I did something.
No,
wrong,
no,
I
no,
paid
stop.
that to the-
Miss Landers, I'm not even in the courtroom, but how about we choose our words and the way we speak them carefully? That's just one piece of advice I just want to give you. And I apologize for interrupting. I'll mute.
No, I'm glad you did it, because go ahead. She says, I did something I wasn't supposed to do. Ms. Landers, let's go back. Let's go back to, don't worry about the baby. I'm not worried about that. Let's go way back, Ms. Landers.
Are y'all writing this information down? Because I was gonna watch the how you not remembering what we talked about.
We lost on how we were talking.
Exactly. And I've been here over several times, like almost every day the last month.
Say what?
I said I was almost here every day of last month, so I'm not.
Let's stop right here. Who's on the, who just signed in? Al Cattell, Joy Tabo, he can't hear me.
You don't have audio.
No, he doesn't have audio yet. You know I am. So. Go ahead, say that again. Let me get this from the beginning. Go ahead.
Okay, so I paid 2 tickets that you told me that you were gonna put in the extra. Since I paid them tickets, you weren't able to do anything with the ticket. The same day I paid the wrong ticket, I came up here and told you that I paid the wrong ticket. You said that you were going to, I'm not sure what exact tickets there were, but it was 285, and you said I'm gonna put the 285 towards that ticket. It was never done that way, and it just showed that I pleaded too, but it was still the wrong ticket that I paid.
I know.
I never.
So let's get to the who made the mistake.
I made the mistake
Okay,
first.
that's what I'm getting to. But when I go all the way back and remember you from the first day that you came in here, and I remember all the cases that you've had, and I'm looking at them now.
I paid over $1,000.
I don't care. I don't care about that. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about what we talked about in the beginning.
Okay, so Judge, what am I here for today?
I don't know what you're here for today.
I just want to see what I'm here for today. If there's nothing you can do to the ticket, you can.
Have a good day, Ms. Lyman. Have a good day. I don't care. She doesn't have any.
Okay, but I keep coming here every day and it's like.
Miss Landers, Miss Landers. Is there anything I can help her with?
I don't know. She has an attitude. And then I'm not about to deal with her attitude. I don't have to deal with any of that. And we've been over backwards. Cases have been dismissed, over 15 cases probably dismissed for her.
Okay.
And work with her to try to get her a license, and then she goes and pays the wrong thing. And now she's talking about how many times she's been down here. We had this conversation about how much she left in her wait. Nobody asked her to get all these tickets and not take care of them. So I've done everything, and if you're gonna get smart, go get smart out in the hallway.
I said it's a life lesson learned.
All right, so go continue to learn it then.
I'm just saying, like, it's a life lesson learned, so I won't ever get that new tip ever in my
All
life.
right.
Miss Landers, I guess what I'm trying to understand is there something that you need from the court, or is there something that we can do to assist you?
So I'm not sure.
She has 2 formal hearings for the no proof, and this is how far we've gone with Miss Landers. Miss Landers, like I say, the first time she came in here, she had I don't know how many tickets, and Mr. Goss, I couldn't believe it. He dismissed probably 10, 15 tickets that day. She has these no proof of insurance tickets. It's a life of just not paying anything and just not taking care of anything. That goes back, from what I see, to at least 2012. And when we sat here and we've done everything, I don't like the way that she was talking to my Miss Mathis on the phone, like she is fed up with this, like somebody has done something wrong to her because it hasn't gone exactly the way she wanted to go. And now she's getting an attitude with me when I've done way over what I'm supposed to do for her.
Is she able to join? Is she able to join Zoom?
I don't know what she's able to do.
If she could join on Zoom and we can go to
insurance tickets, 2 no insurance tickets that we were gonna set aside that go back to, let me see, SP 1026. And then one of them is your ticket, Officer Courtney. So that's 2019. We set that aside. Then the other one is 2019 too. That go back to 2019, over 3 years ago, that we set these aside for her. And she's talking about how many times she's been down here and all of this.
Judge, can I say something? You asked me basically like why I'm here. So I reversed it like, why am I here? Like what, you don't know why you're here? I had court. You didn't tell me that.
So that's the simple answer. I got court. Don't tell us what we did wrong, and don't tell her.
I said I made a mistake, but then Judge, you made a mistake because of you.
I didn't make a mistake.
You said what you was gonna do for me, and then you didn't do it, so I had to keep coming back down here.
There it goes again. I said what I was gonna do for you, and I didn't
No,
do
you
it.
told me to come back to court, and when I came back to court, it didn't work out the way it's supposed to, and I had to come again.
That's because you had so much stuff.
Hey.
That's because you had so much stuff. I did everything I said I was gonna do from day one. I've gone over and above what I said. I don't have an obligation to do anything.
You don't, but my thing was when you asked me what was I here for today, that kind of had me like, so y'all ain't get right back down because of, all I was told was to come back to court. So I can't really tell you everything on why I'm here today, but I'm here.
And the problem I have with you is you got an attitude, and you had an attitude with my clerk. She told me that.
I never had an attitude with your phone. I didn't have no phone at the time, so when I kept reaching out to the clerk, I was giving the clerk numbers to call back. If she could reach me at an app number. I didn't have a phone at the time, so I don't know how, when I ever got the phone with the clerk. Every time I called the clerk, I was reaching out, giving her a number to reach me, so there was nothing there.
Miss Landers, do you have a phone with you today?
Yes, I have a phone today.
So here's what I would like you to do. Are you able to join this meeting via Zoom? That way we can go into a breakout room. And I think that if we have a discussion, it may change how things are going right now.
I I'm in court and my phone don't have, a Zoom app on there and I'm not able to download it, so now I'm not able to get it.
Okay,
Can she go in one of those rooms and sit and Zoom in like one of those attorney rooms?
Yeah, it's computer in there, but there's no access.
But she can use her cell phone to Zoom in to
That's
talk
what I to was
them.
saying, my cell phone to my download.
I tell you what, if I call the courtroom, can I speak to her on the phone?
Oh, on the phone? Yeah, but, yes.
Totally call the Zoom number in there. Totally call them on the
Oh,
Zoom
can
number.
you, she can dial the Zoom number.
Oh,
Y'all
yes,
put
she
it-
can.
Yeah, okay, here, dial this telephone number, Ms. Landers. She can sit in that room. in the meeting.
I just had to switch it up. 25%.
Yeah, let's just do this now. Let's get Ms. Landers out of here. I don't want to see Ms. Landers. This is the city of Detroit versus Detrina Landers, case number SP 102-67331 and SP 104-47353. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharika Harris on behalf of Ms. Landers. Ms. Landers, please state your name for the record.
Jonathan Goss on behalf of the people. At this time, ticket ending in 7353 with Corporal Propic. He was not given a subpoena, so at this time we cannot move forward.
No, we can move forward. Corporate, what do you want to do? Oh, okay. All right. Very good.
Corporal Kropic, badge 775, City Detroit Police Officer. Like the attorney said, I haven't received I'm not even sure on this case. I don't know what has to do with.
It's just no proof of insurance, so I'm going to dismiss it because of you not getting any notice. It's just a no proof of insurance ticket.
This, I want you to make sure you get paid for this, because I want you to make sure you get paid, Corporal.
He's also on hold. That's why it's here.
Yeah, I will. I'm on a different case too.
All right.
Overman.
Yeah, okay. We'll call that and get you out of here in a second. All right.
And Officer McCready did not appear.
All right. All right. So we're going to dismiss both the cases, and that's going to be it. And nothing else. Ms. Landers, you're gonna hopefully this will be the last time that you will be here, because hopefully you start handling your business like you should.
I'm not even trying to get it.
Well, I mean, stuff happens. It's not about getting a ticket. That's really the small problem. It's about just the lack of ever taking care of anything and not showing up to court. And you have a history of that.
Yeah, and I told you in the beginning why I was going.
No, but I thought that you didn't have a family or growing up, and I thought you raised it.
My dad didn't have to experience stuff like this, so he didn't, like, he loved it.
Listen, Miss Landers, I told you a long time ago, you need to you need to do less talking and more listening. I'm going to stress that to you over and over and over again. I told you the first time I met you, you don't have to react or say anything sometimes to what some people say to you. But you automatically want to jump on the defensive every time somebody says anything to you. You cannot keep your mouth closed. Maybe that would help you when Officer Corporate pulls you over. Because if you keep giving lip, that's why you get a lot of tickets too. But we've bent over backwards for you. Everybody has. And if it wasn't for those little babies, I'm sure that I would have told you a long time ago, I'm not gonna do any more for you. So good luck to you, ma'am. Listen, I don't think that those were the only two things that were holding you up getting the license. Those, they're already paid. You can apply that money to some of the other stuff she owes here. Huh?
Yeah.
Or it's just gonna be like that.
That's not to say I actually paid all the ones you wanted to the day I went downstairs.
I would have to check on the funds because at this point, it just seems like we just be open about dismissing. funds.
Yeah, but can they go toward this, like this expired plate
I'll check into
from
it.
2019?
Maybe we can make a
This
notation.
other stuff that's 2017, I don't think that's gonna affect her driver's license at all.
So only thing we would be doing is we would be dismissing it and moving the abstracts.
That's what we do.
Okay.
I'll wait 48 to 72 hours before I would approach the Secretary of State again regarding this stuff. All right, have a great day, man. Good luck to you. All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Aon Overman, case number SP 117695552, SP 1177388, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1213171, SP 117695553, SP 1177388. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharika Harris on behalf of Mr. Overman, who is
Corporal
not
Kropik.
present today.
I'm sorry. Corporal Kropik, badge 775, City of Detroit officer.
All right, Corporal, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Thank you for your patience. Officer Hill, can you put your appearance on the record for Overman?
I do, sir.
Can you put your appearance on the record, Officer Hill?
Police Officer William Hill.
What department and precinct and badge number, please?
Detroit Police Department, 6th Precinct, badge 3756.
All right, as it relates to your client, Mr. Overman, Ms. Harris.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for trial. I am not certain of Mr. Overman's whereabouts. I will leave this in the discretion of the court, would ask for a show cause.
I'm gonna issue a warrant.
Your Honor, we also have Officer Kakish, who was for Overman also.
All right, can you put your appearance on the record, Officer Kish?
Hey, how you doing? This is Officer Bird. I'm in the breakout room. I'm just wondering, what time is this case?
Officer Kish, go ahead.
Hello, Officer Kakish, 6th Precinct, DPD.
Badge number, please.
854.
All right, thank you. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Appreciate all your patience. I got all of you appeared, and I'm going to issue a warrant, $0 warrant in the case. We'll see if we can find Mr. Overman. All right, have a great day. All of you be safe out there, and have a very good day.
You as well. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
You're welcome. This is the City of Detroit versus Turkwan Lamb, case number U59358021. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharika Harris on behalf of Mr. Lamb, who is not present at this time, Your Honor.
Okay, can you put your appearance on the record, Officer Dunbar?
Yes, sir. Sergeant Dunbar, 7th Precinct, badge S221.
He may be in a. Let's see.
Hello?
How you doing, Sergeant Dunbar?
Hey, how you doing? Sir, yeah, Sergeant Dunbar.
He's scheduled for examination. 7.
And is that examination at 36th District Court, Your Honor?
Yeah, for in front of Roberta Archer. And today is the 2nd, right?
Yes, Your Honor. So
Go ahead.
I was gonna say, he very well may be under the impression that all of the cases are being heard on the 7th, and or if this arose out of the same transaction, that's more likely why he's not here today and would be here on the 7th. So I would ask if the court could possibly adjourn this matter.
She is good, isn't she?
That's all I got.
That takes off on behalf of people. Your Honor, this is the date and time for the trial. He was here on this matter. He questioned his trial date. He was given his trial date. So I don't believe that's a good reason for him not to be here because he has another court date next week. He came to this court and spoke to you on this date prior to this date.
So if I may ask, Your Honor, do we know when he was last here regarding this particular case? And is there any way for us to know whether or not the case on the 7th correlates to the case today? Because if they're involving similar or like charges, it is plausible that someone would think.
They're not on the same date. I do mean to cut you off, so I apologize for that. But they're not on the same date. What I'm gonna do is, Officer Dunbar, Sergeant Dunbar, can you come back on the 7th?
Yes, sir.
All right, and then you get paid today and just get paid for the 7th as well.
Sounds good to me. Would I come back on Zoom or would I come back for the?
That don't bother him at all, right? That don't bother him at all, right? Come back on Zoom. What we'll do is we'll call his attorney and let him know that 7th, he's supposed to be in Archer's courtroom. We'll try it again on the 7th, that's a Tuesday. And then we'll see if we can get him here. Because I remember talking to him. But he's only got these 2 cases down here. Took one land.
That's a trial, right?
All right, we're gonna reset it. We're gonna reset the trial date for September for June the 7th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
He must register the vote too. All right. June 7th. And then we'll have you back on June 7th as well, Officer. Sergeant Dunbar.
Yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, you have a very good day and be safe out there, all right?
Thank you, you too, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Okay. Can you contact his lawyer, Ms. Harris?
Sure, Your Honor. Who is his lawyer? I guess I could look that up.
Is Brandy Robinson.
Okay, I can do that.
I got her number. You want her number?
Sure.
313-474-3235. It's P number is P66895.
Thank you very much.
All right, if it's nothing further, have a very good day. That'll conclude the morning.
Thank you. You all have a great day.
All right.
Your Honor, see this afternoon.